Ever stare at your computer screen, mid-transfer, a cold sweat forming as you wonder, will this money actually get there on time? We've all been there. Maybe you need to pay rent by a specific date, or you're sending an emergency gift to a friend across the country. The answer to when can feel frustratingly vague, especially when it comes to online bank transfers. Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally Bank transfers, specifically when you can expect your money to arrive. Spoiler alert, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but fear not, we'll break it all down for you. Understanding transfer types, the Ally Bank breakdown. First things first, let's talk about the different types of transfers Ally Bank offers. This plays a big role in how quickly your money arrives. Here's the breakdown. Internal transfers, moving money between your own Ally Bank accounts. This is the fastest option, with funds typically appearing instantly in the receiving account. Think of it like shuffling money from your left pocket to your right, it's all within the same system. External transfers, ACH transfers, sending money to or from another bank account. This is the most common type of transfer, but it takes a bit longer. Ally Bank initiates the transfer electronically, but it then relies on the recipient's bank to process it. Here's where things get a little less predictable. The not-so-simple world of external transfers. ACH transfers, automated clearinghouse, can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to complete. Why the range? Because there are few moving parts involved. Ally Bank's processing time, Ally typically initiates the transfer within 1 business day of your request. So, if you submit a transfer on Monday, Ally will likely send it out that same day. The Federal Reserve's processing time, once Ally sends the transfer, it goes through the Federal Reserve System, which acts as a middleman between banks. The Fed usually processes transfers within 1 business day. The recipient's bank's processing time, finally, the transfer reaches the recipient's bank. This is where the 1 to 3 day time frame comes into play. Each bank has its own internal processing procedures, which can impact the speed at which the funds are deposited. Tips for faster transfers. So, how can you nudge your transfer towards the faster end of that 1 to 3 day window? Here are some tips. Initiate your transfer early in the business week. Avoid weekends and holidays, as banks are closed and processing slows down. Aim for a Monday or Tuesday transfer for the quickest turnaround. Double-check your recipient's information. Ensure you have the correct routing number and account number for the receiving bank. Any errors can cause delays as the transfer bounces back. Communicate with your recipient. Let them know you've sent a transfer and give them an estimated arrival date based on the information above. Ally Bank to Ally Bank, a speedy solution. Remember, if you're just moving money between your own Ally Bank accounts, you're golden. Those internal transfers are typically instant. But for external transfers, plan ahead and factor in those processing times to avoid any last-minute hiccups. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.